Welcome to our comparison of two very different desktop computers, the Dell Optiplex 9020 and the Skytech Gaming Nebula. The Optiplex 9020 is a compact, refurbished machine designed for productivity, while the Skytech Nebula is a high-performance gaming PC. In this video, we'll delve into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Dell Optiplex 9020 is equipped with an Intel Core i7 4770 processor and 32 GB of RAM, making it a solid choice for office tasks and multitasking. However, its Intel HD Graphics 4600 limits its gaming capabilities. On the other hand, the Skytech Gaming Nebula features an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, providing exceptional performance for gaming and demanding applications. This makes the Nebula a superior choice for gamers and content creators who require high processing power. In terms of pricing, the Dell Optiplex 9020 is significantly more affordable at $249, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Skytech Gaming Nebula is priced at $849, reflecting its advanced specifications and gaming capabilities. While the Optiplex offers great value for basic computing needs, the Nebula's higher price is justified by its superior performance and modern features. The target audience for these two computers differs greatly. The Dell Optiplex 9020 is designed primarily for office users who need a reliable machine for productivity tasks. Its compact design and affordability make it suitable for business environments. Conversely, the Skytech Gaming Nebula is aimed at gamers and content creators who require high performance for gaming and demanding applications. Its advanced graphics and processing power cater to those looking for a top-tier gaming experience. In conclusion, the choice between the Dell Optiplex 9020 and the Skytech Gaming Nebula ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for office tasks, the Optiplex is a great choice. However, if gaming and high-performance applications are your priority, the Nebula is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.